class. Today we're going to be learning about bar graphs. You'll see paper and markers at your seat, but don't touch them until I tell you to. Look at all your classmates around you. How many more students are wearing black shirts than white shirts? How many less students are wearing pants than shorts? Okay. Alright, class, you remember the questions I just asked you? How many students are wearing long pants? How many students are wearing long pants?
0 students.
0 students. How many students are wearing shorts?
1.
Alright, now how many students are wearing skirts?
You count.
Raise your hand.
Oh.
Sarah?
You count.
Yes, I count.
Okay, then 1.
Alright, now we are going to make the bar graph. Can anybody tell me where the type of clothing goes on the bar graph? Sarah?
Does it go at the bottom?
It goes at the bottom. Now, what types of clothes do we have?
So you have long pants
Yeah.
and shorts and skirts.
All right. Now, where do we put the number of things that we have? Sarah?
On the side.
Oh, which side?
The up side.
Yeah. Okay, what goes first?
1, 0.
0. We always start with 0. All right. Now, what comes next?
That would be 1 for real.
Now, what do we label this side?
Number of students.
Yeah, there we go. All right. Now, where do we put in this spot?
You put your bar.
Yeah, we put the bar. All right, so how many pants do we have?
0.
Now, how many shorts do we have?
1.
So we draw the bar up to the number. Now, how many skirts do we have?
1.
And we have to make them the same height because they're the same number. All right. Now, can you tell me what's missing from this bar graph?
I don't know.
What do we usually put at the top?
Title.
There we go. Good job, Sarah. That's a point.
Yeah.
Now, what should our title be for this graph?
Types of clothes or types of pants in our class.
Sure, why not?
There you go. Bottom. That's much better.
All right. Now, how many more students are wearing pants than students wearing skirts in the class?
1.
No.
How many were? Oh.
How many students are wearing pants and skirts?
How many more?
Yeah.
It's not very more.
Good job. Are there less students wearing shorts than pants?
No.
No. Good job. You're doing so well today, Sarah. Now, for our centers, you're going to be placed into groups of 3.
Cool.
Once placed into your groups, you guys are going to be creating your own special bar graphs. Now, this is where our papers come into hand. All right, so now we're going to be working together to come up with some cool bar graphs in our center. And I have some cool data that we can... Now, what should we do first? What type of bar graph?
I don't know. What kind of bar graph should we do for you?
And
Do I get a pen?
together we are creating bar graphs in a group with the teacher. All right, now that that's done, what did you learn today?
How to make a bar graph.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I like coloring.
You like coloring? Look at all these colors that we used. All right, now for homework, I have this worksheet for you. You'll be using these data sets to make your own bar graphs at home. And also, we will be starting a project in which you will be making a huge poster board of your bar graph. Does that sound exciting? You get to make it whatever you want. So I would ask your family around the house, you know, who plays with more stuffed animals, or how many stuffed animals do you have? Do you have more unicorns than bears?
Yeah.
These are some of the questions we get to explore when you go create your bar graphs at home.
Have fun.
All right, class, that's it for today. You have a great time. This is so terrible.